mind. Yeah, man, so humble now. A man of man now, let it shine. This is what you are. This is how it has been now. This is what to be. And a kind of man now. This is what to see with a kind of meaning. This is what to feel with a kind of feeling. We are growing, growing higher and higher. 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 Hear the children, they are talking to him. Hear the wind blow, it is coming for him. See the grass grow, it whispers his name. See the fire glow, his heart is the flame.
Welcome to Right Relief, aiding rural community schools and orphanages in Africa. Wow, this is a sight for sore eyes. We're now at the campsite of Augrabies Falls National Park, Northern Cape, not far from an area, small town called Kakamas. And the biggest one being Uppington. It's about 100 plus k's from here. These are the ablutions, and this campsite is very familiar, been here often, but a very long time ago. Can't even think how long, 12 years, maybe more. Yeah, so it's a nice campsite. Sure, full of flies. Just noticed a lady wearing a hat they use for Australia, with the net that goes over the hat for the flies. So anyway, with no further ado, let's go and make home for 3 nights. Cheers.
Yeah.
Right. Oh my gosh. Getting there slowly. We bought this on we were outside the shop in Cape Town, 9 o'clock in the morning, waiting for this. We've opted for ground tent. It's just too much of a mission getting in and out every day of that and packing it away. We want to go out to the park and go on a game drive and go to the shops and what have you. It just isn't viable. So we're going to have to either two things, move it to the front where we can utilize the bull bar as I did in the past, or get rid of it. So anyways, Camp Moore, thank you very much. They've supplied this awesome 3x3 Sierra tent, and yeah, we are very fortunate because, well, we did not have the correct accessory. That small little thing here, that small little black thing there, yeah, that goes into the valve. Ha! We didn't have it, and it didn't come in a box with anything. So we were luckily fortunate to find a campsite here with a fantastic couple from Somerset West that have assisted us with that little valve. It's just come out. You see what happens when you talk. So luckily I'm filming, eh? It just popped out. Anyway, so as always, it takes a while to set up camp, and when it's done, it's done. And you know where everything is, and it becomes routine. This is the first time I've utilized a dome tent in a very long time. So, as I said, everything's routine. When you've driven for a few hours on a long road, it does become a bit tedious having to start putting tents up and taking everything out. So, here we are, day one of camping, and things are looking good. Right, get all this into motion, start up a fire, and yeah, put it in the bed and make some food and sort out the meat. And I need to have a shower desperately, and early night. So with big thanks to Flex for this chest freezer and fridge. Jewel, look at that bad boy, full. -2 the fridge, -14 the freezer. Alright, let's get some food out, yeah, make a relaxing braai. Oh my god, you got no idea how good that tastes. Oh, wow. Right, so of course I just broke the bloody beer top off the bottle on the Land Rover, trying to open it. So we'll see if there's any glass in my beer later on my throat. It was quite... I couldn't give a fuck. That's how I feel. Swallow glass, whatever. Anyway, time to relax. Got the fire on now. And 3 nights of goodness, and then moving on to the Kakhaladi Park, where we have a few nights. So cheers for now. My lovely baby girl, what do you want to say? What do you want to say?
My chair.
For 5 minutes.
No, listen.
Nam talk. Big worm.
ไม่ต้องพูดเวิร์ม not have worm
this guy just came to camp, took him as, oh, he's coming to you. He wants your food. Busy making food. Look, yeah, where are you going? Oh, he's tame, eh? Is it a civet cat? Maybe? You know, look.
See, picture for me. ตกใจ not put him go is some barefoot ละ sure
Hey, 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 hey. Look, you want to go up.
food may have my food
Where?
Be a man of greatness now, a man so tall, a man so kind. Be a man of wisdom now, a man of mind, a man not blind. Be a man of kindness now, a man so big and strong in mind. Be a man so humble now, a man of man now let it shine. This is what you are.